Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Welcome mga kaboxing sa inyong paboritong bakbakan show. Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Tadin Quinito Henson. Sama-sama natin panuurin isa na namang makasaysayan na sagupaan at salpukan. Aba, nakarating na po tayo sa Pasig, Iloilo, sa Jensan, sa Narbacan, sa Okada, sa Imus, sa Mandaluyong, sa Quezon City, San Juan, at ngayon po nasa Pasay City tayo. Cuneta Astrodome ang ating venue for another Blow by Blow edition.
Masaya po kasi lagi akong nabibigyan ng laban at sa ngayon natuloy na rin po. Lagi po kasi nakakansin yung laban. Sobrang hirap po ng training ngayon kasi sinisipagan ko po talaga para manalo.
Dati kasi sir, bulihin kasi ako eh. Kaya parang minotivate ako ng bully na yan para pumasok dito sa box. Sobrang importante sir kasi kahit saan madadala mo yun sir. Force lang sir hanggang makamit yung pangarap.
Ito po mga kasama natin, mga kaboxing, mga kababayan natin. Naku, mag-i-enjoy po tayo because maganda po ang programa natin. Inihanda ng ating minamahal na Senator Manny Pacquiao for another edition of Fisticuffs sa Blow by Blow, Cuneta Astrodome po, Ross Boulevard, Pasay City. Huwag niyong kalilimutan, subscribe and follow us sa ating mga social media platforms sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa YouTube. At panuorin po natin ang Blow by Blow. Every Sunday po yan, 8:30 on Signals One Sports, Channel 41 at sa MPTV Channel 98. At ang ating mga rules, ito po, number 1 is no knockdown, no 3 knockdown rule is in effect. Only the referee can stop the fight and the fighter cannot be saved by the bell in any round. Yan po ang ating mga patakaran. Ang unang-unang laban po natin, maganda to, flyweight division po, 4-rounder, Perlito Exclamada kontra Michael Asuncion. Ito po ang kanilang tail of the tape. Makikita po natin ang kanilang mga vital statistics. Aba si Exclamada may malaking advantage sa reach, 67.5 inches po ang kanyang wingspan compared to 61 inches for Michael Asuncion. Mas bata po si Exclamada, ang record po niya is 1 win with 1 draw. Wala pa po siyang talo at si Michael Asuncion naghahanap pa ng kanyang unang panalo sa kanyang professional career. Okay, yan po ang ating tail of the tape. Let's turn you over now to our ring announcer, Bobby Mondejar.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Asuncion. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Perlito Exclamada. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here at Cuneta Astrodome, Pasay City, in partnership with San Miguel Beer, in coordination with City Mayor Imelda Emmy Calixto Rubiano. All professional boxing bouts as sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board. GAB Commissioners, Attorney Manuel Plaza III, Angel Bautista, the Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Ms. Jackie Lou Cacho Ornido. Ringside Physicians, Dr. Noel Napa, Dr. R.V. De Leon. Timekeepers, Kim Dangan, Romulo Santiago. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 111.4 pounds. He has a record of no loss, 1 draw. Fighting out of King of Pound Fitness Center, Batangas City. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Asuncion. Asuncion. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 112.4 pounds. He has a record of 1 win, no loss, 1 draw. Fighting out of Peñalosa Boxing Gym, Better Living, Parañaque City. Ladies and gentlemen, Perlito Exclamada. Exclamada. The judges at the ringside, Alfie Hocosol, Eduardo Nobleza, Antonio Comia. Third man in the ring, referee Noel Haduka. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing.
Kailangan po ng maganda at malinis na laro. Huwag sumuntok, mas mababa sa bel. Sa likod, bawal lumikot. Pag may bumagsak, neutral corner kagad. Okay? Touch glove and good luck.
Umpisahan na po natin ang ating 4-rounder. Kapansin-pansin, ang gaganda ng mga haircut nila. Style na style. Yan po si Michael Asuncion wearing the orange trunks. At si Perlito Exclamada naman po is wearing the black trunks with the yellow trims down the side. Pareho po sila mga blow-by-blow babies. At si Michael Asuncion, his only fight was a draw. And that was held in Okada last March. That was on a blow-by-blow production. At si Exclamada naman po, 2 fights under his belt. 1 win and 1 draw. Both those fights on blow-by-blow. Last fight po niya, majority draw with Ramil Gusi. Nangyari po yan sa Mandaluyong. Flyweight division po. And Perlito Exclamada with a long reach. Napakita natin yan. And making good use of that reach. Left jab. Tapos biglang-bigla, susuntok siya ng kanan na straight. A classic jab straight combination na pinapakita dito ni Perlito Exclamada.
Taas mo lang dito, ha?
Again, that left jab. Gumagamit ng kanyang reach advantage si Exclamada, ang kanyang cornerman. Walang ba kundi si Carl Peñalosa Jr. Erbing, ang tawag natin sa kanya. Isang matalik na kaibigan natin.
Stop. Bring it up. Good. Back.
Ating third man in the ring, si Noel Haduka. Naririnig po natin ang kanyang mga instructions. Again, hindi makalapit si Asuncion. Aha!
Down! Hey!
Ayun.
Wow!
Ako, nabilangan. Haduka.
4,
Referee Haduka calling a
5,
knockdown on Asuncion
6,
as he gets
7,
smacked by
8.
Exclamada. Yan pong mandatory 8 count. Wala namang masyadong damage. Medyo off balance si Asuncion, but he did get smacked and got it again with the right hand. Exclamada pinpoint punching. At si Asuncion naman up. Nahulog doon. The gloves touch the canvas. No knockdown. That was ruled a slip. Again, Exclamada very aggressive with that jab straight combination. Ayun na naman. Hindi malaman ni Asuncion kung paano siya papasok dun sa depensa ni Exclamada, which is airtight. And plus, it's all offense coming from Exclamada. Asuncion has to make a major adjustment. Hindi siya makakapasok dito. That left jab continuing to pepper Asuncion. And tapos si Exclamada following it up with a nice right hand. Again, the movement. Exclamada. Tumama na naman yung kanyang kanan. Sapul na sapul. Asuncion trying to bully his way through that defense. And that's the end of round number 1. Nakascore na po ng knockdown si Exclamada in round number 1. Action-packed po yan. Yan po si Perlito Exclamada, 22 years old, going up against Asuncion, who is still looking for his first victory. Panurin po natin ang punch of the round. Sunod-sunod po yung mga suntok dito ni Exclamada. There's the right hand. Yan po ang ating punch of the round, brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Tandaan po natin, bumagsak po si Asuncion. Bilangan po ng mandatory 8 count ni referee Haduka. At meron ng konting mouse doon po sa ilalim ng kaliwang mata ni Asuncion. Gawa ng matitinding kanan na suntok galing kay Exclamada. That right hand of Exclamada is finding its mark. Yung target niya, yung kaliwang mata ni Asuncion. Kaya naman, there's a little swelling now underneath that left eye. Round number 2 now. Again, that right hand, this time an overhand. Gamit na gamit yung kanan ni Exclamada rito, whether it's an overhand right or a right straight. Asuncion looking to be a little more aggressive in this round. Nawala sa kanya yung first round. Again, this is a 4-rounder, kanya nakascore na ng knockdown si Exclamada. Malaking advantage niyan. At sa 10-8 round para kay Exclamada. Again, that left jab. Matindi itong left jab ni Exclamada. Pasok na pasok. At maganda yung combination na punching dito ni Exclamada. Now he goes to the body. Markado na yung mata ni Asuncion. Hindi lang yung kanan, kundi yung kaliwa rin. You see that swelling underneath the left eye. Kita-kita natin. No, tinamaan na naman si Asuncion. Now both eyes are showing some swelling of Asuncion. The right eye because of the left jab, galing kay Exclamada. And the left eye because of that right straight, galing kay Exclamada. Tumama na naman ang kanyang right straight. Looks like a boxing lesson na pinapakita dito ni Exclamada. Asuncion, hindi niya madepensahan yung left jab. Walang masyadong head movement. He's not weaving. He's not dodging that left jab galing kay Exclamada. Kanya swak na swak. Ito na naman si Exclamada moving in. Another right hand and the left hand. Oh, this is a boxing lesson that he's teaching Asuncion.
Stop. No punch. Good. Back.
Ito, bugbog na si Asuncion. And you see the marks on his face underneath both eyes.
Stop. Okay, harap.
No adjustment on the part of Asuncion. Ang kanyang cornerman si Jun Sales. And once more, that right hand connected. Coming from Exclamada. Nakita natin kanina. Oh, sapul na naman yun. Yung kanyang reach advantage, 67.5 compared to only 61 inches for Asuncion. Ito, tinatawanan na lang ni Exclamada yung kanyang kalaban, showing absolutely no respect for Asuncion as he's dominating this fight. End of round number 2. Yan po si Asuncion. Napagitan natin si Jun Sales sa kanyang trainer. Namamaga na po. That lump, that swelling is gonna bother his vision.
Maraming suntok sa ulo ha.
Ang laki na nung... that's a very, very bad swelling. Namamaga yung kanyang upper left eye. And that's credit that to the precision punching ginagawa ni Exclamada. Round number 3. Well, sa record ni Exclamada, 1 win and 1 draw. Hindi pa siya nakaka-score ng knockout in his career. He might want to work on his power. Kasi sapul na sapul yung kanyang kanan. If only that right hand packed a little more power, he'll be able to bring down Michael Asuncion for good. Now, he did score a knockdown in the first round.
Stop. Okay.
Asuncion trying to bulldoze his way inside. Yung nga lang, pagpasok niya, hindi siya sumusuntok eh. Kaya siya nasusuntok. Now again, a lesson to aspiring fighters. As you're moving in to your opponent, you've got to throw those punches. You have to let your hands fly. Kundi, ikaw ang tatamaan.
Break it up.
Oop! Asuncion throwing a punch there at the break. Now he's given a warning. Asuncion looking very frustrated at this point. There's that left jab once more by Exclamada. You know, as a flyweight, maganda itong reach ni Exclamada. And very precise and very technical sa kanilang approach. And a wild swing coming from Asuncion, not finding the mark. Again, as he comes plodding through, trying to throw that right hand. Hindi niya natatamaan si Exclamada. Ito si Exclamada, walang patawad. He is just all business inside that ring. Suntok ng suntok, parang makina ito si Exclamada, which is the right thing to do. You've got to stay busy. Whether you're ahead or whether you're behind, you've got to stay busy inside that ring and show the judges you deserve that decision if it's going to go the distance. A glancing left hand coming from Asuncion. Kinokorte ni Exclamada si Asuncion. Asuncion's back against the ropes. And again, he takes that wild swing. Walang tinatamaan si Asuncion. And more punches scored here. And I think that might stop it. Yes, referee Haduka has stopped it. It's futile to continue this massacre. And referee Haduka now calling the ringside physician to administer oxygen on Asuncion, who's just taken a lot of punishment. And you see the marks on his face. I think that's a good decision. I mean, why wait for Asuncion to go down and out? Why wait for the fight to finish when very clearly dominado ni Exclamada yung laban? You've got the swelling around both eyes of Michael Asuncion. Tama yung desisyon ni referee Haduka as he calls it off in the third round. A wise decision, saving Asuncion from further punishment. Now he drops down to his first loss. He's given some oxygen as he tries to get himself restored to his pre-fight condition. Halos walang tinamaan si Asuncion in this fight. Etong punch of the round. What an attack coming from Exclamada. Perlito Precision Exclamada. Yan ang ating nickname para sa kanya. Malayo po ang mararating ni Exclamada. He's got the height, he's got the build, he's got the reach, and he's got the tools to become a world-class contender eventually. If he works on his craft, stays fit, and continues to improve, to become better, this guy is gonna go places. Kulang pa sa power. I think if he were to put more sting in his punches, this guy will go certainly far. Ito po ang ating ring announcer for the official time.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time, 2 minutes and 35 seconds of the third round as referee Haduka stops the fight. Winner by technical knockout, Perlito Exclamada. Exclamada.
And there you have it, all smiles. Perlito Exclamada has chalked up his first knockout win in his professional career, and his record now goes up to 2-0-1. Well-deserved victory for Perlito Exclamada. Tinalo po niya si Michael Asuncion by a TKO in the third round. Manurin po natin some highlights of the action just ended. Ito po, round number 1. Nabilagan po doon si Asuncion. Might have been a slip. He was off balance, but he did get smacked to the midsection. So nabilagan po siya ni referee Haduka. And then those combinations of Exclamada. It's just precision punching from him. As a round number 3, ito po nangyari. And good combination there. And almost defenseless na po si Asuncion. As you see him, he's not fighting back. At sabi ni referee Haduka, he's seen enough and saving him from further punishment. That's the right decision. Asuncion going down by a TKO in the third round to Perlito Exclamada.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved Congressman, Tony Calixto. We have here also with us ang busy rin na nagpunta sa aking office, ang ating barangay captain, Jerry Cotaniedo, Kapitan Lennon Tawat, at siyempre yung naging busy talaga para mag-asikaso nitong blow by blow. Ang CEO, blow by blow, Ms. Marife Barrera. Head of Operations, Len Thomas. Official Commentator, Kinito Henson. Ring Announcer, Mr. Bobby Mondejar. Sa San Miguel Corporation, siyempre sa ating Astrodome na pinamunuan ni Sir Onyot Vendivel and Gary. Sa ating former Senator Manny Pacquiao at sa aking mga kaibigan dito, si Johnny and Lisa Elorde. Binabati ko rin ang aking husband na talagang sumuporta rin dito, Egay Rubiano. Sa inyo pong lahat, magandang gabi po. It is indeed a great day to celebrate Philippine athleticism and promote sports to our people. We are grateful for this opportunity to advocate for sports. Kaya naman, thanks to former Senator Manny Pacquiao, at dahil dito sa blow-by-blow boxing promotion, marami tayong madidiscover na mga boxers. Tama? To say that Filipinos love sports is an understatement. Dahil hindi matatawaran ang pagmamahal ng mga Pinoy sa sports. Sabi nga nila, in the Philippines, we are fond of the bees. Basketball, at beauty pageants na rin. Sa larangan ng boxing, iniidolo ng lahat, kasama ng buong mundo, ang angking galing at talento ng nag-iisang Manny Pacquiao. Kaya naman tayo po ay nakikiisa sa Blow by Blow Productions in this combined thrust to promote and elevate Philippine boxing. Because, who knows, di ba? Hindi natin naman, the next Manny Pacquiao ay pwedeng maging taga-Pasay ba? Or sa ibang lugar, basta't Pilipino. Kaya naman, dahil dito sa ating lungsod, we have always maintained a strong promotion for boxing. and all other sports. Sa po ito sa aking priority agenda na tinawag kong health. Kaya naman po, aside from the fact that sporting events really do promote interpersonal discipline and interpersonal camaraderie, syempre, nagiging bahagi din to ng livelihood ng ating mga mamamayan. Kaya naman, that being said, we welcome the esteemed colleagues and guests from Blow by Blow to our humble home, Pasay City. Kaya naman, katuwang niyo po kami sa pagpapalaganap ng kalidad na sporting events and our unwavering mission to provide tapat at higit pa sa sapat na paglilingkod. Kaya naman, nung pinuntahan ako nila, hindi po ako nagdalawang isip. Sabi ko, sige, partner tayo dito sa Blow by Blow. So sa lahat po ng tao na nagtulong-tulong para maging successful ang Blow by Blow, congratulations sa inyo. So kung ano man ang aming mapaglilingkod, andito kasama ko rin si Congressman Tony, nakabukas po ang aming tanggapan upang sumuporta sa abot ng aming makakayanan. Thank you everyone. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Mayor Emmy Calixto Rubiano. Nakikita nyo, nakakausap nyo, kasama nyo. Tapat kayo naglilingkuran. God bless us all.
Thank you very much. City Mayor Imelda Emmy Calixto Rubiano.